Hello, my name is Jennifer Sierra. I am living from Florian, Santander. I am public accounting student. I will explain to trail itinerary to Florian, Santander later. Plan the trip of your dreams to Florian tourist paradise in the south of Santander. Florian is a municipality is a site located in the south of Santander. It is attractive for its beautiful tourist sites, stalactites, stalactites, its coves, its delicious gastronomy. In Florian, you will find friendly and humble people, where you will find a majestic welcome. The tours gigs will provide you with the best service. To trail Florian, you must take into account to take some since its climate is 22 degrees Celsius. Aventure route 3 days, 2 nights Florian Santander. Destination Santander. Distance 5 hours 30 minutes. Dates. Duration of event 3 days, 2 nights. Predominant average waiter 19 sweater for over 14 years old. Price per person 540. Includes transportación Bogotá-Florian round, triniternal transportación. Acompañamiento guiado from Bogotá. Accommodations 2 nights double accommodations. Food 3 breakfasts, 2 diners, 3 lunch, 3 snacks. Accompaniment of local tourist information. Tourist 3 days protective equipment required for each activity entrance. 2 halls attractions. First day, Florence. It is our main route. It consists in canoeing in Halls X. Splendor of the natural seats. Take to rook of Tiskisoke House. Among them Charcopila windows of Tiskisoke. Guara Peaks and Charcosul. Difficult levels 1 and 5. Approximate route 18 kilometers. Second day, Ruta Torchiconal. Complete travel levels 11 kilometers. Optional transportation. 4:30 am. Beginning 8 am. Arrival at base camp. There breakfast, technical chat, photographic space. 9 am. Hike to villaje of Tiskisoke, Chiconal sector. 19:30 am. Hydration resex. 20:15 am. Activity landscaping photographic possible bird watching fauna and flora relics of sitio. 20 lunch 30 pm resex and continuation to Tewant. 6 pm dinner. 30-day complete route. 24 kilometers transportation optional. 7:30 breakfast. 8 a.m. Home tours, Cerro de los Venados hikes, visit the Wind Point Photographic Espacio, 11:50 a.m. Return to Tewons, 11:45 a.m. Hikes to Charco Pilot, Canonics will be carried out on the 90 streams up to the natural attraction, recreational bathroom, 12 a.m. Lounge, 20 p.m. Return to Main Road, 40 p.m. Destination Trips. Tropical Funds. In Florian Joe will find varieties of desserts it with excellent flour, very delicious with white, among them Joe can delict chicken sancoch, rice with chicken, mute, chopped chorizo, and stuffed among others. Plates to get stay. Uncomfortable place to exit is the Guaymaral Hotel, the Casa Loma Hotel, located in front of the Ricard Terminal, near the main parks. Also, the area of cabinets of the Guaymaral parks are a good option to rest and ceremony. Thank you.